So you're probably wondering how I messaged with 3 different celebrities today, and I'm not shitting you. I was working with the Futures team, and that's also Party Next Door. And then separately, I'm working with Canelo and might move on to another project. And essentially what I'm going to show you is how I was able to build up my page to this point where I have this reputation and this sort of trust in my own niche. And I did all this without a degree or anything. I did this in university. And the way I'm going to teach you how to do this is I'll start by explaining how you could grow your Instagram page and the value of that. And then essentially how you'll integrate into your own niche. You'll form a little bubble and you'll know the brands in it. And that'll allow people to trust you as like a pillar of the niche. And then lastly, I'll say like how I did all this without a degree or even any experience. I started when I was like 19. And yeah. Essentially, the point of this video is to show you that anything is possible. When I started this 2 years ago, I knew it would get somewhere, but I didn't expect the degree. And I said 3 celebrities, but it's technically more. It's a bit of a coincidence, and maybe it's law of attraction or whatever, but I saw Lil Nas X in the store I work at earlier this week, and now I'm messaging to get drip for Future, Party Next Door, Canelo for next month for his boxing fight when he's in New York, and then potentially more. These are stylists and they have teams. And the way I started all this was I just grew uniformity, and I grew it from nothing. And the reason I chose it was I figured in fashion that like I consume a lot of fashion content. So whenever I saw something cool that helped me, I guess, figure like there's a style here, there's something made to happen. And on this, like I'll just say that everyone's style, like there's someone who resonates like you. No matter how experimental or crazy or niche it is, there is like a place for you to be. The reason I started uniformity was mainly to archive my ideas, what I think is cool, and to kind of act as like a mood board for any future projects. And the way it grew is I found the top performing content, like usually on TikTok, honestly. And then I re-uploaded it to Instagram, and I of course tagged the creators. I gave them like all the due credit. And this helped because now the other creators in the niche sort of trust me, because like when I post it, I don't post it as my own. I say like, look at this innovative work. I truly highlight that there is other talent. And by doing this, you create value in your own environment. And it sounds like, oh, like you're just posting for free. But I swear brands have like picked up on this. And as my page grew, they start sending me free clothing. Like right now I'm wearing some Badson US. Like it's pretty experimental, but there's some shit they sent me because my post on this piece did viral. This other brand, Dolce 1000, however you say it. Like I've worked with them a lot simply because I started posting them because I thought they were cool. And Shine Luxury Studios, who is literally my inspiration, like they pay me to do promo and they send me pants and a sweater. Now I have another pair of leather pants coming in. And I'm saying this to say that like anyone could grow and anyone could build it up. I don't even show my face on Instagram, so I was surprised I have this much trust. But the reason it worked is because Maluma's stylist half a year ago messaged me, and we couldn't make it work out. He wanted specifically for me to help getting something, and I was in Boston for university. So I like sent him around, you know, I gave him some recommendations and referrals, and I didn't expect anything from it. And literally 1 a.m. I'm checking my DMs and it's a new stylist, and hey, Future is in town for the day, like could you help him get a fit? I'm like, no way, this is real. I look, it's 150K followers. The stylist is like reputable. So the reason I'm saying this, not to get carried away, but it's to say, if you grow, you'll become a pillar in your own niche. When you build your audience, that's value in itself, because that means someone resonates with what you're posting. Someone gives a shit about what you have to offer, whether they want to buy it or look at it. Like you're building an awareness in the community. And when you're working with all these other brands, like it's only natural that your name will get around, because all the goodwill you're putting out, even though it helps me grow, whenever I grow, another brand grows. Whenever my post goes viral, someone else's product will go viral. And that typically means like someone will be appreciative of it to the same way I appreciate that they have like a fire style, fire design. So I built that sort of rep in my niche, and over time, I guess it just compounded and the name got around to the point that literally today, and I'm gonna say it's August 8th. This is a special day, like everything's to come from August 8th. Last time it was July 24th, now it's August 8th. Because I had like I'll show the text, it's technically 4 celebrities. There was like this one guy, Victor, I don't really know who he is. And then there was the Maluma guy who hit me up about Canelo next month. Bro, I love boxing. Like, you already know I'm gonna go crazy on that. Whether it's paid or unpaid, it doesn't even matter. Like, I know they're gonna pay, these people always take care of the things. But I would literally do a boxing like collab or design for free. And then there's Future, of course, and I'm getting carried away. There was one, oh yeah, Party Next Door. That's the same stylist as Future, so like we're doing a group project there. And then like what I've done is I've introduced them to Cody Phillips, who is a brand in New York, and I think he's like one of the best designers out here. Like, he's a grinder, he's hustling, and naturally, like, all this stuff will just pull together and all the right people will be there. So this guy Cody, I bought clothing from him 3 years ago before I started Uniformity. And I like hit him up with a DM like, hey, pants are dope. And he just said like, oh, thanks, like, happy you like it. To think 3 years later, like, we'll be directly messaging me, his team, and Future's team to try and make something happen. Like, what I'm trying to say, I guess, is you never know where you'll end up, and I still don't know where I'll end up, but everything will connect if you start working. Like, for the past 3 months, or half a year really, I was posting less on Uniformity to get my degree. But now, like the past 3 or 2 months, I'm taking it more serious again, and I'm like putting in the work. And I swear, like, naturally, when you apply yourself, these things will connect. So I'll show this. I got my degree today. I got this today in the mail. It doesn't matter to me. I haven't used it. I have no need to use it. No one, not a single person in the fashion space has said like, oh wait, but do you have a degree? Because I don't need it. I mean, I do, but I didn't need it in this whole time because my page is the receipts. When you have an audience, that in itself is a message that you know what you're doing, or at the least that you know this space, you know the styles. So I'm saying all this to say, you guys could 1,000% build something like this. You could build something bigger if you put in the right efforts or you have the right intent. And the way you're gonna do it is you just have to find out, like, first of all, you gotta decide what speaks to you. And I'm not gonna say niche down, because I post in like 4 different niches. That's why I have such a broad audience. But find the space that you're meant to be in, find what you're talented in and what you can offer something in, what you can teach people, or even just offer cool ideas. And I'm telling you, give it 100 days, focus on it, do 100 minutes every day for 100 days straight. Now, it sounds like a lot. That's 1.5 hours that you're not going to be watching TV or YouTube. So if you do this for 100 days straight, and like if you actually apply the work, and if you study what works and what doesn't work, strategies, I guarantee you will be astonished how you grow. Now, in my first 100 days, I didn't know what I was doing, and I only got to 4,000 or 3,000 followers. I swear, and I have receipts in Uniformity. I'll pop them up right now. Like, I don't know where my face is, but boom, 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 boom. I swear, if you put in the work, after about 120 days, after like 4 months, I went from 5,000 followers to 22,000 followers. I am being so dead ass right now. Like, I cannot make this up because the numbers are literally going to be like, boom, somewhere. I'll put it there. But my point is, put in the work. I need you to believe, have conviction, have faith in yourself. I have faith in you because I'm gonna be real. Like, I've seen how it works. I've seen myself do it. I've seen friends do it. I've seen other brands do it. I've seen people way more talented than me do it on like a whole new level. And I guess what I'm trying to say is, like, if you put in all these right things and you really go for it, and you have to have conviction in it. If you don't believe in it, you're gonna mentally, like, you're gonna somehow sabotage it, make it not work. If you have that conviction and you keep going, I swear you will, like, I don't even want to say the cliche, but you have freedom. You'll have the internet money. I made most of this shit from my phone in class or on vacations. And like the reason I did the vacation was because I could pay for it using my phone. And like when you think about it, I'm making like basically a price that you could only charge in the US. If I go to Bali, I could still charge that to US brands and I could get that optimal price. And then you could use that, you could travel around, or you could just like, you could live more freely. And whatever it is that speaks to you, whether it's connecting with the audience, whether it's the fame and working with the celebrities, which I don't really care about, which is why I'm pretty faceless on Instagram. Whether it's the money, which the money, if that's the sole reason, like it's not going to work. You have to have more than that. Or whether it's, I guess, just everything that comes with it. I'm saying you should go for it. If you're here, odds are you're creative or you're like intellectual in some manner, and you obviously like have some style to you. You're probably an individualist like me, and like I'm just guessing based on previous interactions with my audience, but you can do it. And I hope this wasn't too drawn out, but I guess I'm going to end it here. And I hope you guys learned. I hope you, if you really want proof, you could check out my Instagram. You could check out the receipts. But I hope you start looking more into this for yourself. And just remember, do like 100 minutes for 100 days and really apply yourself, and you'll be surprised what happens. So I'm going to sign off. I'm never sure how to end these things, but I guess I'll put some music up, good vibe. And on that note, peace.